Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we will see how you can set the default course settings on your Moodle site as the site admin. These default course settings will be saving you a lot of time whenever you are adding a new course on your Moodle site. So once you have set the default course settings on your Moodle site, you need to just add a new course and then give it the name of the course, and then you are done. So let me show you how you can update the default course settings on your Moodle site as a site admin. Once you are logged into the site as a admin, just go to this site admin page and go to this courses tab, and under this courses there is a section named as default settings. So just click on this course default settings. Now on this page you can define all the fields which are generally available whenever you are adding a new course on your Moodle site. So let me say that by default you can make the courses whenever you are adding as hidden, so it will not display any blank courses to the users. If the course is ready by the teacher, then they can toggle this visible button to show, and then the course will be displayed to the students. Now similarly, you can also change this number of participants per page or enable the download course content. Now under this course format section, you can choose the default course format for the new courses. So let me say that if you are going to add a lot of weekly format courses on your Moodle site, so you can keep this weekly format as the default one. And then you can define the maximum number of sections and the total number of sections to be displayed general by default. Then the setting for the hidden sections, whether they are completely invisible or they are shown as not available sections to the students, and so on. So you can also define the force language for the course under this appearance, and then you can define the number of announcements here. And then if you would like to show the gradebook to the students, then you can choose here. If you are working in a corporate environment where this gradebook is not necessarily, then you can just put it to no, and similarly go on. Then in the next section you can define the file upload size, completion tracking, and then the group settings, and then the communication settings, which is new for the Moodle 4.3 environment. So once you are done with all the settings, just click on this save changes button here, and all these settings will be effective for any new course which you are going to add on your Moodle site now. So now I will just add a new course and show you that it is showing visible to hide. So I will just go to the courses tab here and click on manage. Okay, add a new course here, and here you can see that the course visibility is showing as hidden by default, which we have just set in the default settings. And similarly for the course format, it is showing as weekly format, which we have just changed. So this is how you can streamline your course creation process faster as well as more easier by updating the default course settings to your appropriate requirements in Moodle. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.